And I never stop going a group and talk about Alkaline album do this and sell bad and rare. I never stop it. Because phone artists are gonna drop album too. And I don't know what's going to happen. And I don't know what's happening, you know. Because on the mean.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
You don't know one Media Fox pan up. Now we see Gaza man run out and people. Me have to give him a run of applause for this. Because I see a lot of people play hypocrite. But him a beat everybody. You understand? Him a beat every fan base. That's how it go. And at this me want to see. Zane, me know say he's a Gaza man. But if you see him do this, it's a good thing. Because if you want the thing to grow, you cannot beat one man. Zane, and the other rest them wanna do better than the one man wanna beat. It don't make no sense. So everybody have to get beaten. I know say, yo, we don't need to do better than this. You understand? But we're going to video and making it hear what I want.
Every day above ground is a blessing, chat. Always remember that. So chat, we'll go over one part over this and Sister Alkaline album when drop. Little bit underneath 1,000. I'm going to see the people in my laugh. You're not going to get me a laugh. No. You know why I'm not going to ever laugh? Because post like only not support dancehall. Yeah, man. You see the fans them quick for telling about the mother, but them not support them artists. None at all. You see when a Vibes Cartel or a Popcorn drop an album, I not even have to listen to it before I bite. I just bite and then I listen to it. Yeah, man. Me say, when Vibes Cartel and Popcorn drop an album, I don't have to listen to it before I bite. Me bite, then I listen to it. Yeah, man. But no.
Okay. Now we see why we not talk about them album there. A Alkaline album on a drop. We don't really talk about. So you buy the album, but you just don't. I don't understand though. You buy the album, but you don't listen to it. Oh, that's why I soon forward out and talk about them. Only when Alkaline drop album. Okay. Cause maybe, people, maybe you can buy it and not listen to it none at all, And sound like him buy Alkaline one, but he listen to it. You understand? So, boy, Jano youth, not easy.
We say on our fans, not supporting an artist, brethren. Yeah, on not supporting an artist. Alkaline might get 800 and little under 1,000. If 1,000 that much. And you might find the genocide fans, them argue, a laugh. Or you might find the Gaza fans, them a laugh. But at the same time, some of the post-war Gaza fans, them, nah, buy album. And sometimes you have the same post-war Crux fans, them, nah, buy album. And you have the same post-war Vendetta fans, them, nah, buy album. You get me?
Yeah, man. Right across the board, brother. Yeah, man. Same energy. At this you want to see. Same energy, man. We don't want to see you not beat one artist and the other rest not do better. Everybody if get beaten. I saw one the thing for look grow and everybody understand. So you want a joke thing. Support the music.
I say, yeah, listen, as a Gaza fan, so they don't know my style already. But come talk my mind. Yeah, man. Enough of them you see over the internet more time, the Gaza fans them, the Vendetta fans them, and the Crux fans them. When you look at the comment section over Instagram, if a man say something too bad about the Gaza, S your mother. You know? S your mother. If a man say something too bad about the Crux fans them, S your mother. S your mother. If a man say something too bad about the Vendetta fans them, S your mother. S your mother. Bear that. You see what I say? But yet still them not support them artists. Them not support them artists, brethren. And that is bad for the dancehall. A man like me, I buy album straight. Once the album good, me I go buy it. No matter how you be. And you know why I do that? You know why a man like me do that? Eh? Because me tired for see dancehall did they way up yourself. And when me young, me never know nothing about Afrobeat. And Afrobeat just come fly around dancehall just like that. Easy. Yeah? That easy because what? The Africans, they must support Africans. They must support their music. We not support the music. We just want...
Brother, you have to understand. Bro, you not understand when it comes to capacity of the country and the different sizes of the country. Brother, Africa is a big continent, brother. For them support I go bigger, bro. You have to understand, say, brother, Jamaica, there's a lot of reason why, especially Jamaicans don't buy music, bro. We have to look on these things in a dog. We cannot look on one way and say, yo, the people them not buy. There's a reason for everything. There is a reason for everything. Brother, I don't feel like say every Jamaican, Jamaica have card, bank card and credit card. You don't feel like that? You don't feel so? You think everybody have some high-tech gadgets. You have some people in some country area, brother. Them don't know about what we talk about. You don't need to look, bro, those 3 million people, you know, round off at Jamaican, brother. I remember say out of the 3 million they have pick me, you know, when I know about them something yet, don't know if you support music. You have to look on these things. America got 300 odd million people, you know. Africa maybe have more. Who to knows or what? Or close to that or whatever. I don't remember the capacity. But you have to look on them things, brother. We just a small little foundation thing. Bro, you have to look on these things. Low capacity. Now for Jamaican them there, them say, yo, my $10 if I go buy that and buy this. Brother, them nah buy that, brother. You see me? Yeah, tell right now Jamaicans more pray. They will more pay for buy cash part. So them have to gain something for support. May I tell you? Or them a do it for the hype. Then we spend how much buckles pan party and Ray listen to them artists in our party and all of them look at thing and buy a buckle, but them nah buy the album. Although the buckle them cost so much money, you know, them nah buy the album. Because them feel like say, yo, me nah benefit nothing for this. That's how the Jamaicans them see it. You see me? And that's why music not really, you see me, bought like that. And a high capacity. You see me? Yeah. So, that's how you think set dog.
Argue with fans. Yeah, we just want to argue with each other in a comment section. That's all you don't want to do, but you don't support an artist. You see what I mean? I say, yeah, Alkaline just left the Barclays. Alkaline just left the Barclays. Barclays full out. The Barclays full out and you not even want to pay money for buy the man album. Vibes Cartel full out the Barclays how many times? Make us see what I go on as owner as a fan. Because as me telling you, so only just want to cuss each other in a comment section and somebody this Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel do maybe like over 20 arena and him drop album. And it don't even hit the billboard, we don't even get the numbers. So it show you, brother.
Want to tell them about them mother if somebody this Alkaline. Want to tell them about them mother if somebody this Massacre. Want to tell them about them mother. But where is the support with the no money? With the moolah there for buy the people them album. Support dancehall, man. Support dancehall. Alkaline album no good, don't do good. Me hear the Crux fan them I rejoice. Me hear the Gaza fans them I rejoice. But you will never catch me as a Gaza fan I rejoice. No, because it look bad pan dancehall music, brethren. It look bad pan dancehall. It look bad pan dancehall. If you can't have Afrobeats a come in and them a give Afrobeats them old genre upon the billboard thing, and them watch it. Them a think right now if them for split up dancehall and reggae. For what? Me it not for split up none at all. No. It should not split up because if reggae go split from dancehall and some man will come with some little fucker album, I go reach far, I go get a Grammy. No man, it not for split up, man. Me love the competition. Me love the competition. It should not split none at all. Yeah man, enough for buy album, man. Enough for buy album. Because a man like Alkaline should never sell such little bit. No. Vibes Cartel and Alkaline are the two strongest fan base. And if the two of them can sell out a Barclays, from a 13,000 to a 15,000 to a 16,000 to a 17,000 to a 19,000 to a 20,000 fan base, see, in the Barclays, then why we can't see the same reflection when the album them drop? Why we can't see the same? The man them sell them album from $7 go straight.
Because hype sell more than music. Hype and clout sell more than music because people are benefit from it. Them will pay going at the arena them and go there and go snap on TikTok and all of them thing there and get them views and all of them little thing. Maybe them get money. Them will pay for that because them are benefit from it. You understand? I saw we as Jamaicans some of them. I saw we pray, you know. I saw them pray. Them say, me I buy music. What me I go gain from it? I saw them a pray, yo, what me I go gain from this? You understand? Me buy the music out of there, so what me I go get? I saw them pray. Them prefer pay God the show and have them TikTok posts with bag of views and people know them. They must say, yeah, me I benefit from this. Because people are going to know me now, where this. I saw Jamaican see it. You understand? And the next thing, we Jamaicans can't really get access to certain things, brother. Them have to go set up account. Them have to pay for money and all. Bro, you have to understand how Jamaican pay things, you know, bro. Like, imagine them say, right, me I go subscribe on Spotify. And when them a pre say, yo, all of this money I go to this money and this money I rich. I saw them I go pre, brother. You understand? You have a look on it. Yeah, them will listen and go watch the artist perform and pay any money. You understand? Because them can go there and go snap and get them views. And then can go there, them buy them liquor, everything, benefit from it. When them buy the music, them are saying, yo, what may I get? Me not get nothing out of it. You understand? Everything of the artist, I saw them a pre, so you can stay there.
Up to $10, $11. Last time Popcorn album dropped at the end of November, $10.99. I buy quick. $10.99. At the least that.
Well, at less than 500 is selling now. So you may be in the part of the less than 500.
And yet still, Uno as a fan, now buy the album. But when somebody says something, Uno they cost them every minute. Yo, SYM. Uno for stop it, man. Uno for support dancehall, man. Uno for support dancehall. You know, sometimes I see the people them each up in them. The group, pan them TikTok, or them, what them call it, YouTube, in a group and a talk about, yo, that man there, look where him sell, look where him sell. But at the same time, them when each up in a group and talk, you know, now buy the album. Them now buy the album. Them now buy no album. No. Them now buy the album. What it take for the support on the artist? What does it take for the support on the artist, brethren? I'm telling them, I go back on my platform. When I go and look through my video there, I always show the album them I buy. Always I buy enough album. Me's a boy buy album. Once me listen to it, I buy it. Once me listen to it, I like it, I buy it.
Yo, that man a jam, my man just say when Popcorn and Cartel album drop, him buy it before him listen to it. No, him a say, yo, as you listen to it, him buy. Yo, that man a jam, dog.
Yeah, but there's two artists out there. Me not even have to listen to them album. Once the album drop, me I buy it, then me listen to it. And that is Vibes Cartel and Popcorn. Yeah. Always have to get my support, but other people not buy album, none at all. But yet still don't want to tell people in the comment section, SYM. For you can imagine Vibes Cartel sell out at Barclays. Everywhere go Vibes Cartel go, it sell it out. See? And just imagine if you know say your album drop and the dog only do a 3,000 or a 2,000. But you can imagine something like that? So all of them show them sell out. With them people there. Wait I go take for the user like $10, $8, and $9 for buy an album. When you can't support an artist. When you can't support dancehall. And this is why I'm not take some on serious. No. This is why I can't take some on serious, brethren. No, man. And this is why some man can't tell me what to say on my platform. No boy can't convince me say, yo, that song they sound good. You know, if me know say the song sound good. No, if me know say the song sound good, no man can't convince me and say, yo, Prince, I fuck with that. You're mad? Not there. My own views and opinion, man. Yeah, man. My own views and opinion of a person music, brethren. Yeah, man. Because not enough for support dancehall, man. And spending no money on support on the artist, brethren. Support on the artist. You see me? Support on the artist, man. Because when I saw that Alkaline sell less than 1,000, I said, what? Man, I just say Barclays full. Man, just say Barclays full, you know?
But how much Cartel Art and Soul album sell? And him a full bag of arena. It even worse with him. Cause him a sell out a bag of arena. You understand? Alkaline just do one way there. Cartel did that do enough back then and it never did that. He never get that sell there. He even do the three back the back-to-back show and then the next one in Canada as well. So I just say things set, brother.
If stop it, man. If stop it, Vibes Cartel and Alkaline should not sell at least 100,000 each time them artists they drop a album.
The man say 100,000 to bombard. 100,000. Oh, John, what dog? We are telling it to reality. The man are dangerous, dog. The man say the man should not sell 100,000 first week. Jaja.
Them fear sell at least 100,000. They don't fear sell nothing less than 100,000 the way the fan base, big brethren. But yet still, because you know mean, yo, when I moved to America, right? Me used to always say to myself, say, yo, American people mean, you know. But yo, you see, every time the artist them drop an album, I always say Jamaicans mean. Yeah, man. Because we start to compare them with American. And if American can support, can spend for them money and buy them artists, for them artists that sell 200,000 copy, 300,000 copy in the first week, 100,000 copy in the first week, we start saying to themselves, no, man. But Jamaicans way meaner than the American, them, man.
Brother, you have to understand, you know, brother. Remember, say, $10 Zane, when you check it, brother, Jamaicans are work less than $10 US a hour out here, brother. We'll get like a $400 Jamaican. You have a brilliant thing, brother. Them not pre like that, brother. $10 US, that a maybe like 15 minutes to $2,000. You think people are gonna take that? Them a pre say, yo, this me I go buy. You ever understand how them Jamaicans are going, brother? Them nah, yeah, them will go in a supermarket and know say right that them man they own it. And them will buy it, although them rich. You understand? But them a benefit because when them buy, them a get them bread, them a get them this. But when them say, yo, album, this me for buy, what me I get out of this? I saw them pre, brother. You think a joke thing?
You know what I say? Because me have it say Americans are the meanest people on the planet, you know. Trust me, me have a reason. But Jamaicans mean, man. Mean, but them can't even spend a little moolah. Eh? I talk about, man. When I talk about, for spending the money, man. When for spending the money. And I never stop going a group and talk about Alkaline album, do this and sell bad and rare. When for stop it. Because phone artists are going to drop album too. And I don't know what's going to happen. And I don't know what's happening, you know. Because on the mean, and I don't want to spend the money. For supporting an artist, brethren. And for supporting an artist, man. But when I say, every day above ground is a blessing. Yeah, man. Every day above ground is a blessing. Yeah. How you talk about, man? When Massacre they drop him album. What buy Massacre album? What you talking about? Me support dancehall. Dancehall me support.
So no sister Gaza fan did that support Massacre before the riffraff. You understand? But here we got more about the EP where I go say. So the last album them like the 438 and the next one. Gaza people usually buy it. But look where I go say about the EP now after the dissing a cartel and thing.
You know, when Massacre drop 438, me support it. Generation of Kings, me support it. Yeah, me support it them time there. You know, when me listen to the girl album, the female album when he dropped, it did alright. You know, it wasn't his best work, but it was a good. You know, but it never worked it for me bite them time there. You get me? I said, but me can't tell you if it did worth it for me bite, I would have bought it. Remember that? I would have bought.
Yeah, man, wicked there for. So on the seat now, people. That's why we don't know the numbers for the EP, you know. The EP album, you know. The last one I'm dropping at December. That's why we don't know because the guys has plug out the support.
It, yeah. But it was never worth it for me to buy it then. You see me? But enough to support music, man. Support dancehall. Support dancehall, brethren, because if you don't support dancehall, people in another genre are going to say, see it? They only selling 1,000, they only selling 2,000, they only selling 3,000. Eh? Come on, man. Every minute to no bash the Shaggy and the Sean Paul, and them man they sell how much. Eh? Every minute to no bash the Shaggy and the Sean Paul, so nobody not give them no respect. But at the same time, people are buy for them album. People are buy for them album. The Shaggy and the Sean Paul doesn't have a fan base. A boister us like a Vibes Cartel and an Alkaline and the upcoming Massacre, but yet still those two persons are selling more than the people that have a huge fan base on the supporting the artist, man. But guess what? Every day about.
Yeah, man, people, big up on yourself, you know. I don't know. 1 media facts pan it up. That is it.